Welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show how to make chicken 65 recipe. I request everyone to kindly watch the full video. And now let's see what all ingredients we require for making chicken 65 recipe. Have a look. Take a mixing bowl and add half kg boneless chicken. Now you're going to add some lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You can even add the ready-made ginger garlic paste which you get it from the shop. Now mix it well. Now once you finished mixing the chicken, now take a separate bowl and you need to make the cornstarch. Therefore you have to add 1 cup of corn flour, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now add water to it and mix it well. You have to mix until the corn flour dissolves properly in the water. There should not be any lumps in it. The paste should come very smoothly. See, as you can see in the video, there is no lumps in the cornstarch. The consistency of the cornstarch should come like this. Keep the frying pan on the stove and add oil to it. Now you have to take the mixed chicken and then you have to put it inside the cornstarch which we have mixed, and now you have to dip the chicken inside that and then take it out. Now you're going to dip it into the corn flour and put it inside the frying pan. Before putting the chicken, you have to make sure that the oil has been heated. When you dip the chicken and put it inside the frying pan, you have to hear that sound which comes. Now you can hear the chattering sound which is coming, and after some 2-3 minutes you're going to turn over the chicken. Allow the chicken to cook fully. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes on the frying pan. Keep it in high flame. Now the chicken has been fried, and therefore I am taking it from the frying pan and keeping it aside in the plate. You can even use the tissues to dry it. You can keep the chicken on the tissue paper so that it dries all the oil and takes it out. Now I'm putting another set of chicken for frying. Take the frying pan and add oil to it, and add 2 to 3 green chilies, and add curry leaves and saute it well. Now you are going to put the fried chicken into the sauteed pan, and then you have to mix it well on the pan for some 2 minutes, and then you can put it into the serving bowl. Now chicken 65 is ready to eat. Enjoy your evening snack. I hope you all liked my chicken 65 recipe. All of you do try out in your home and let me know how it came in the comment section. I request everyone to please subscribe to my delicious food fusion YouTube channel. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and then click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I thank each and every one of you for the support. Thank you.